Today we are at the Shipley Nature Center celebrating our Water Awareness Poster Contest winners. Today they are learning about where their water comes from faraway Northern California and the Colorado River Aqueduct. They are learning about vermicomposting and water filtration and water pollution.
Some of my favorite things about the ceremony are to see all of the amazing arts in this ceremony and also the award ceremony. I'm really inspired to see all the awards that are given to true artists that deserve it.
All three of our kids, they love art and drawing and expressing their creativity through art. As they do the art, we can engage in conversations, and then finding out about the award ceremonies and even having these activities where they get to come to the different stations and just learn more about how water is supplied to them and why is it important to save water. And we have these conversations that carry throughout the year, as a result. So it's been really neat for us.